Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you how to connect the new LEMFO LEM 9 with your smartphone and the app. So the LEMFO LEM 9 uses the app called WiiWatch 2. As you can see here, we already downloaded. You can go to your LEMFO in the menu Assistant, Connect Phone. You have the QR code here. You can scan it and download it, or you can just go in your Play Store, search WiiWatch 2, and you should be fine finding it and downloading it. As you can see in the app here, it's asking us to allow the WiiWatch 2 to take pictures and record videos. Let's go ahead and allow it. So in the first look, we have the status here, and here we can demonstrate how you can scan your QR code. Let's go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth and scan. As you can see now, after less than a second, it will know the QR code and it will connect without any problem. We have the information for the watch here in the health. Let's allow the notification real quick. Now we have the percentage of battery, the steps that we did, burned calories, distance and minutes, and the heart rate will be right here, the last heart rate. For now we don't have any, so it's showing 0. So the first page of WiiWatch 2 doesn't have too much option. Let's go to the second page. This is the setup page. As we can see, the first one, we have step count, so we can change our goal step. We have lookup device, music control, auxiliary input, send files, raise the screen, silent mode, app notifications, get support, feedback, software update, and instructions. So here you can customize your own preference. For me, I always turn on raise the screen, and here you have app notifications, so you can turn on some apps to notify you. As you can see, all the apps are turned on, so every notification from my phone, it will show in the screen of the LEMFO LEM 9. Now we can go to the settings, to the Tor watch, and see what we can do. For example, as you can see now, it allows us to go in and call someone if we want. After we pair it, we are able to call someone with our watch. Let's try to call the service. As you can see, the service, we wasn't able to call them. We have messages here, so now all the messages will be saved here. In the settings we have here connect, so we can connect with other things. Now we can control the music as well. As we know, we have the music controller right here, so it's not a problem for that. We can control the volume and all these things. So you can see that all the notifications. Here we have a notification from Snapchat. As you saw, a notification comes immediately and it gives a little vibration. Look, all the notifications are coming. The chat had activate, so you can read the notification right here. And I like that it gives a little vibration to tell you that you have a notification in your watch. So guys, this was all for today's video and how to connect your LEMFO LEM 9 with your phone and your app. If you have any question about these sort of smartwatches, feel free to comment down below. We will try to reply to you all and help you. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, turn notification on, and see you in the next video.